Hello again. This is a video about quadratics. Sarah cycles along the Bangkok Skyline track. She cycles at 25 kilometers at an average speed of x kilometers per hour. She then cycles a further 20 kilometers at an average speed of x plus 2 kilometers per hour. The total journey time is 2 hours. Write down an equation in x to show that it simplifies to 3x squared minus 39x minus 50 is equal to 0, and then solve 3x squared minus 39x minus 50 is equal to 0. Find the value of x. To find the value of x, correct to three significant figures. That would suggest here that we would need to use the quadratic formula. Right, so the average speed is the total distance travelled divided by time. So time will be distance over speed. If we rearrange that, that will come up here and that will go down here. So time 1 for 25 kilometers, time 1 would be 25, that's the distance travelled divided by the average speed, which is x. And for the 20 kilometer stretch, time 2, it will be 20 over x plus 2. We are told that the t1 plus t2 is 3 hours, and these were in kilometers per hour, so the units are consistent. So we can say that 25 over x plus 20 over x plus 2 is equal to 3. Now we need to rearrange that to show that it comes equal to that. So looking for a common denominator, and the common denominator is going to be x times x plus 2. And then we've got 25. Well, that x was multiplied by x plus 2, therefore the 25 will be multiplied by x plus 2. And then this x plus 2 was multiplied by x, so therefore the 20 must be multiplied by x. And it's still equal to 3. And then you multiply the whole thing through by x times x plus 2, which has the effect of taking that and putting it up here, and therefore we have no denominator. So therefore we have 25 times x plus 2 plus 20x is equal to 3x times x plus 2. So therefore by doing that we got rid of the denominator. What we're doing, we're taking that and we're taking it up there. So write that out again. So the next step would be to expand the bracket. So we're going to have 25x plus 50 plus 20x is equal to 3x squared plus 6x, and now we're going to add these two together, so we're going to get 45x plus 50 is equal to 3x squared plus 6x, and then we take away 45x minus 50. So we're going to have 3x squared of 6x minus 45x. It gives me the minus 39x, what I wanted, and then we have minus 50. So we've actually proved what we wanted to do. Now we need to solve 3x squared minus 39x minus 50 is equal to 0. We compare that with ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is 3, b is minus 39, and c is equal to minus 50. So be careful with signs. The clue to use the quadratic formula was like giving your answer to three significant figures, or to one decimal place sometimes. We've got x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is the formula you need to learn. So x will be equal, now you need to substitute in carefully, minus 39 plus or minus 39 all squared, so put that into brackets, minus 4 times 3 times minus 50, again putting anything into brackets, all divided by 2a, so 2 times 3. Minus 39 is 39, plus or minus, now minus 39 squared becomes positive, so it becomes 1521, and then the minus times a minus will make a plus, and then 4 times 3 times 50 is 600, divided by 2 times 3, which is 6, and then we get 39 plus or minus 2121 when we add those together, divided by 6, and then we say either x is equal to minus 39 minus square root of 2121 divided by 6. If you're using the order calculator, it's probably a good idea to put brackets in at this stage. Work out the top, divide it by 6, and get minus 1.1757. That's not possible in the context of the problem. We can't have a negative x because it represents speed. or x is equal to 39 plus 2121 divided by 6. Again, putting brackets in, especially if you're using the order calculator. So you're going to get 14.1757 rounded off to 3 significant figures. That gives a speed of 14.2 kilometers per hour for x. Okay, so this has been a video to take a practical problem, make an algebraic equation which leads to a quadratic, which you have solved using the quadratic formula. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.